How to enable dark theme in Openshot. Want to give your eyes a break while editing in Openshot? Switching to the dark theme can really help, especially if you're working late or prefer a sleeker look. Here's how to turn it on. First, open Openshot and click on Edit in the top menu. From there, choose Preferences. Once the window pops off, go to the Appearance tab. Now, under the Theme drop-down menu, you'll see few options. Select dark or any of the darker variation like dark blue or noir depending on your style. Click Save at the bottom to apply your changes. Openshot will prompt you to restart the application, so go ahead and close and reopen it. And when it loads back, you'll see the new dark interface in the action. Dark themes not only reduce eye strain but can also help you better focus on visual details in your video timeline. Do you edit in light mode or dark mode? Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's all it takes to refresh your editing workspace. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.